How to fix Roblox error continue installation without flag settings from. Now, I'm going to be showing you any kinds of troubleshooting steps on how we can fix this issue. The first things first is the very basic one. We'll try to reinstall the Roblox application. Just press the keyboard, press Windows on your keyboard and type in apps and features if you're using a Windows 10, and then look for Roblox. Now, if you have uninstalled this one and this doesn't work, we need to go ahead and try to re-download the Roblox application on the main Roblox website. So let's go to Roblox official website. Just pull up any browser you want and type in roblox.com/download. Now you need to click on this link, download Windows app. Now once everything is fixed and if it is still not yet working, let's proceed on another troubleshooting step. Now let's try to reopen Roblox using the Roblox launcher. To do that, press Windows and type run and then hit enter. Now type this on your command prompt or on your run bar. Percent local app data percent. This one. And then hit OK. Now there will be a folder that will pop out. Just go ahead and look for Roblox folder. And then go to the versions. And then open this folder. And you need to launch this launcher right here. And then you need to right click and run as an administrator. Our last resort is to turn off our antivirus temporarily. To do that, press Windows, type in antivirus, and hit enter on virus and threat protection. And then you go ahead to firewall and network protection, and you can turn off domain, private, and public network temporarily. So those are actually the basic troubleshooting steps on how to fix Roblox error continue installation without flag settings from.